What's this?
Hi guys, so we're at Rowston North, we're crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. There we go, now the time is 18:06 on Monday the 20th of April 2050. This is for our 18:04 2 km 62 minutes train service from Sleaford to Doncaster. Yaha.
There's nothing else to the 1833 Sleaford.
Yeah. Put you back on call after for that train. I have enough battery. I'll put you back on call after the train if I have enough battery.
I've got 1% in you.
I've got 3.
Oh, that's useless. Maybe a 3 network phone of bollocks. I talked to my phone on the 3 network a month ago. It still hasn't said it's gone there yet.
Oh.
Still waiting for the confirmation. It's stupid. They say call up their little top-up line. That said there was still nothing on it.
Right, what's going on for pigeons on the track today?
Breathe a bunch of shit. Right, it's just past 1-3.
Yeah, the tracks are vibrating.
Yeah, when they start vibrating, it's on the corner.
Here she comes. Pigeons, stay where you are.
Scott's his own. Green.
Scott would have gone down about 2 minutes ago.
Green there.
Yeah, she's definitely green.
I thought it was yellow.
Ah, pigeons, 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 pigeons. I'll zoom in a bit, see. One 56497. 56497 to Doncaster and up they go. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.